I'm going to be showing you one of the best AI tools that enable you to write content. I'm talking about, say, copy. I'm talking about content that you can use article for you for use on your blog. Also, want to design maybe like an ebook, or you want to actually a content creator and you want to get content for your promotion, or better still, you want to design an ebook of any variable. So you can use this particular AI to actually do that. Okay. Now I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to accomplish that. But before then, remember this is Legit Cash Business TV. On this channel, what we do is that we train you how to make money online using various approach. We also cover VTU technology, crypto, forex, mobile app development, online business hustle in general. Now, do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, because subscribe to, like, and sharing the video will help us to notify whenever we make an update, just like this very one you are watching right now. Having said that, let's go to the video properly. Now, the name of the tool we'll be using on this short video is called writeme.ai. Okay. Now, writeme.ai is a tool that enables you to write articles. Okay, a brilliant 20x faster way to write brand name, your business ideas, okay, job descriptions. These are things, a blog topic ideas, post outlines, call to actions, okay, website copy, right? So you can be able to emails, you can do email copywriting even on this particular AI tool. So it is completely free, guys. Okay. Write Me is your one AI powered content writing assistant to write high quality content in a few clicks at only a fraction of the cost. That is if you want to upgrade to their paid plan. Okay, to locate this tool, just have to go to your browser and type writeme.ai. Okay, just go to your browser and type writeme.ai. So you'll be presented to this place. Okay, now with chat with writeme.ai, the ultimate writing solution. Okay, no more worrying about tools or use cases or additional output. Okay, with this particular tool, you can do a professional copywriting, and people have been using this tool. You can see a lot of mind-blowing results, guys. You can see a lot of mind-blowing results. This is 92,000 people that are using this. Okay, you can see the words has been generated up to date. So this is a mind crazy result, guys. So get started with this tool. Get started with this tool, and the mind blowing aspect of this is that it's completely free of charge. Okay, you don't need to actually pay money to use this tool. Let me show you. If you go to the pricing section, you'll be able to see that here they have free options. Here you can see here on this free plan, you can actually write unlimited articles, and it is over 2,000 words, guys. 2,000 words. Okay, unlimited line suggestions, up to 5 projects, all 36 use cases. So you can see that, and they can support several languages. So if you are not using English, you can also use different languages. Now, this is mind blowing. You can also upgrade to their paid plan, which of course you can see. First plan here is $10 per month, which is very, very much affordable, guys. You can use up to 3,000, 30,000 words and unlimited line suggestions. Okay, so these are different kinds of upgrade options: the freelancer, the agency, the enterprise. Okay, so these are various plan upgrades. So you can upgrade to get more value to what they're offering. So to get started, right, we all you have to do is to click on this try it for free. Okay, so that's, for instance, if we are using what's it called, phone to access the whole portal. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like in a phone. So it's because most of us are using phone to access the system. So just click on this, try it now. To take you to the place you have to actually open an account and then get started with the tool. Okay, so you just have to put in your email and password, as if you already have an existing account. You have to put your email, your password here, and then sign in. But if you don't, you can easily use your Gmail to sign up, or better say, you can sign up just without a Gmail. So once you click on that, it will prompt you with a form, how you have to fill the form. You have to fill the form. Once you fill the form, you'll be able to have an account, and then a verification code will be sent to you so you can actually verify your account. Okay, so in this video, I'm just introducing you to the AI tool. So if you really want me to explain more further on this, please comment on this video Tell me, Shedrach, okay, please throw more light on this AI. I want to actually learn how to make use of it. Once I receive up to 50 comments on this video, I'm going to go further to do a part 2 video on this, okay? Now, if you are new to anything AI is one of the things that has made work easier for us. If you're a content creator, even a web developer, or maybe someone that is want to take your business further by using a sophisticated technology, AI does that for you. Okay. Now, if you're new, as I said in the channel, there is a video that is going to pump up that explains to you how to design logo for completely free of charge for your brand, for your company. I want you to go watch that video right now. Right now, just click on the video that is popping up on the screen to watch that video. Thanks and God bless.